Today we are going to be looking at a case study using BIMrx to modify the mark parameter within a parking family. More importantly, let's note that this parking family is currently part of a model group array. In order to edit the parameters in this family using BIMrx, we'll be going through the parking schedule. Here, we will select the parking schedule and see that we will use the mark parameter and the number of spaces. We see that the mark parameter is empty. We'll use BIMrx and use the extract function to extract the schedule. Go to the Schedules tab where we see all the schedules in the project, and then go ahead and select the parking schedule for this example. Select Export. Revit will give you a warning that lets you know that certain parameters need to be ungrouped in order to be modified. This doesn't affect us, so we will hit Cancel. Then we will be prompted to save the Excel file, select a name and a location. Once the file has been successfully exported, it will let us know that it was finished, how many elements were exported, and then will prompt us to open that Excel file. Here we can see the export format and the Revit file location. At the bottom, we can go to the Export Catalog tab, where we get all the parameters associated to that element or elements. Then the type parameters, which will show us all the type parameters associated to those elements. And then the parking schedule tab, which is a direct duplication of the schedule in Revit. Here we can very easily use Excel to fill in the mark parameter and number all of our parking spaces. We will then go ahead and save that information back to the Excel file, go back into Revit, and then use BIMrx's update function to select that Excel file and update that information back to our Revit project. Here it'll tell us it was finished, how many elements were updated, and the number of errors in this transaction. We will now see that all of our elements were updated. And in Plan, where we have tagged our parking spaces, all of our tags are filled in correctly.